In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Shindo Live with a PlayStation 4 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access and play Shindo Live using only a PlayStation 4 or even Xbox controller. You will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but of course, if you were playing on the actual PlayStation 4 console, this process would be exactly the same. All that you have to do is open Roblox on any platform and using the search function, look for Shindo Live. Once you find the experience, it is going to be the first one to pop up and you will be able to see the details. Now just go ahead and join. If you are playing on a PlayStation 4, your controller is going to be already connected, and if you are on PC, you might have to set it up before. So just make sure that the controller is good to go. Once you load in, you will have to use the options button to highlight certain icons around the menu. So to navigate through the menus, you will be able to use this little highlighter here. And as long as you choose between any of the game modes, so play, game modes, or edit, you will be able to go ahead and join the experience and start playing. So make sure that you highlight play, you choose it, and you will be able to start. Now, keep in mind that you might encounter some limitations when joining on a console or trying to use a controller, but for the most part, it is going to be playable. You will be able to do all of your combos as you would in any other platform. You just have to get used to the controls. So once you load in, you will be able to use the left joystick for movement, the right joystick to move your camera, you can change perspectives, you can sprint by pressing down on the left joystick, and you will be able to punch using R2 as you can see here. You can use L1 and R1 to highlight other commands at the bottom. You will be able to charge your attacks, and it is overall a very playable experience. So all that you have to do is join Shindo Live with your PlayStation 4 controller, and you will be able to play entirely using only the controller. This is also going to work for any sort of Xbox controller that you have, and all that you have to do is join the experience directly on your console or on your PC with the controller connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Shindo Live with a PlayStation 4 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.